Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Sam. Welcome back to another video. I know there's been a lot of hype around AirPods, but I also know that there's a lot of you out there that have issues with AirPods. They don't fit right. They fall out of your ears. They just aren't the right pair of wireless earbuds for you. And until now, Apple didn't really have an alternative. That is until 9to5Mac today came out with an exclusive look at Powerbeats Pro. Apple's answer to people who want wireless earbuds but don't want AirPods, and they look really, really great. If you guys are excited for these, drop a like down below. As always, it seriously helps me out, and hit subscribe so you stay up to date on all of this latest Apple news. So jumping into the official images right here, we actually have a video. I assume this is what you're going to see when you first try to Bluetooth connect your Powerbeats Pro to your iOS device, and we get a 360-degree look at this product a month before it comes out. I always think this is super cool. Because the AirPods are truly wireless, you obviously need a way to charge them. You're not going to plug each one in individually, set them down individually on something like the AirPower wireless charging mat. No. These have their own wireless charging case, just like the AirPods wireless charging case. I actually don't know if these are going to have wireless charging capabilities, but I would assume if AirPods 2 do, these could very well have that as well. But at the very least, because these are truly wireless earbuds, you do have a charging case to set them in so you don't put them in your pocket and lose them, as I've admittedly done a couple of times with AirPods when I didn't put them back in the charging case. But for Powerbeats, these aren't AirPods, these are not something you're going to be flexing with. This is something meant for more heavy-duty use, I would argue, than AirPods. And that's because they have the little band or little hoop that goes behind your ear so that if you're doing something high intensity, you're running at the speed of light, maybe you're super quick, or you're just doing something where your head is moving around a lot, or maybe you're just somebody that has never worked well with AirPods. I always know that's so frustrating. I'll let somebody try mine on, they really want them, and they realize like their ear holes, which sounds really funny to say, are just too big, which I get, everybody's different. It's not going to one size fit all. That's not how AirPods work. These, however, could. Because they have that little hoop, they may fit better on your ear. So if you've been somebody who really wanted wireless earbuds, I think this could be possibly the best option, or definitely the best option from Apple if you don't want AirPods but want something similar. Also on these Powerbeats, the black looks so good. I don't know why Apple has not just spray painted versions of AirPods black yet. There are literally companies that will do it for, I think, $50 to $100 to $150. And Apple just has not jumped on black yet. I feel like there's a lot of people that want truly wireless sound but don't want white, and black for Powerbeats is a really good way to get black on truly wireless earbuds. And they're said to have some similar specs to second generation AirPods. Number one, hands-free Siri functionality. So just like you can on AirPods, you'll be able to say Siri, hands-free. You won't have to double tap or mess with your wireless earbuds at all. Your Powerbeats Pro, you can just talk to Siri hands-free. This is not speculation. 9to5Mac has actually uncovered, just like they did for AirPods 2 ahead of launch, a pop-up dialog showing us exactly how this UI is going to look. When you connect your earbuds to your phone for the first time, it's going to look like this, and you'll be able to set up the Siri functionality right off the bat. Now, in a separate report courtesy of CNET, who has a really good track record, they don't share rumors often, but when they do, it's almost certainly going to be true. CNET says that this new version of Powerbeats, again, probably called Powerbeats Pro, is dropping sometime in April, which is weird because Apple just released new products last week. You would have thought that they would release these alongside other products, but now we know for sure we are probably getting some new Apple products, at the very least Powerbeats Pro, in April. And they're going to be equipped when they launch with a very similar H1 chip. One other reason you might want to look at these instead of second generation AirPods as well is that CNET says battery life could be better than AirPods too. Now, nobody's really gone hands-on and extensively tested second generation AirPods yet, just because they haven't officially shipped out to most customers, but Apple didn't really say that AirPods 1 to AirPods 2 would be getting better battery life. They just said talk time could be getting better, but maybe Apple's found a way to use less energy or use less power because of the slightly tweaked and slightly altered design. We don't know the answer for sure, but I wanted to share that with you because that is one of the biggest shortcomings with just the entire truly wireless earbud market. The reason you have these charging cases as well is so that when they die, they can get a full charge in 15 to 30 minutes. Looking at these, I'm actually pretty excited to use them. I'm usually not excited about Beats. I don't get too excited about the Solo 3s, or I guess what's coming next, the Solo 4s that are over-ear headphones, just because personally, I'm not a big over-ear headphones user, and And while AirPods work for me, I go to the gym 3-4 times a week. I would be totally down to try something that looks like this, maybe something that is more sweat or water resistant. We don't have any official details on that. I'm just guessing out here, but it looks to be maybe more of a soft black finish rather than the high gloss white of AirPods, but this looks cool. This looks different, and I think it's exactly what the Powerbeats line needed because Apple hasn't really innovated anything there in a while, and it was time for the line to catch up to everything else that's on the market. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I have for you in this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like down below. Always appreciate that. Hit subscribe for more. I've been Sam. Hope you're doing well, and I will catch you all in my next video.